The Land of Smiles and Semiconductors, a comprehensive guide to the iShares MSCI Thailand ETF, THD. As of February 23, 2026, the iShares MSCI Thailand ETF, ticker THD, stands at a fascinating crossroads. While the broader Southeast Asian narrative is currently dominated by the AI data center boom in Malaysia and the financial stability of Singapore, Thailand offers a different, more nuanced value proposition. As the second-largest economy in ASEAN, Thailand is undergoing a significant structural pivot, moving beyond its traditional tourism and auto identity into a regional hub for electronics and digital infrastructure. Investing in THD today requires an understanding of a three-speed economy: the surging electronics exports, the steady but evolving tourism sector, and the domestic challenges of high household debt and political transitions. This guide explores the Silicon Rebound driving the fund, its specific portfolio construction, and the critical factors to monitor before starting an investment this week. 1. The Macro Thesis: Thailand's 2026 Silicon Rebound. For years, investors viewed Thailand primarily as a play on global travel and traditional manufacturing. However, data from early 2026 suggests a profound shift. The electronics engine. The standout performer in the Thai economy this year is the electronics sector. Following a surge in demand in late 2025, Thai exports are benefiting from a massive global appetite for AI hardware. The AI hardware wave. Thailand has long been a global leader in hard disk drive production, HDD, production. In 2026, these existing supply chains are being repurposed for AI servers and high-capacity storage solutions. The HDD industry is expected to record gains of 7.5 to 8.5% in export value this year. The neutral production hub. As global tech firms seek to diversify away from China, Thailand's electronics cluster, centered in the Eastern Economic Corridor, EEC, has become a preferred destination for semiconductor testing and printed circuit board, PCB, assembly. Tourism 2.0. While exports are the current growth engine, tourism remains a vital pillar. The official forecast for 2026 aims for a return toward pre-pandemic levels, supported by higher value segments. Medical tourism. A significant trend in 2026 is the rise of high-value medical tourism. Thailand's private hospital networks are seeing record patient volumes from the Middle East and neighboring ASEAN countries, providing a more stable, higher-margin revenue stream than traditional leisure travel. 2. Inside the fund, a top-heavy powerhouse. THD tracks the MSCI Thailand IMI 2550 index, which provides broad exposure to the Thai market, but is notably concentrated in a few national champions. As of February 20, 2026, the fund holds approximately 83 to 88 stocks. The electronics giant, approximately 14%. Delta Electronics Thailand, Delta. This single company is the heart of THD's modern growth story. Delta is a key supplier of power management systems for data centers and electric vehicles. Its massive weighting means that the performance of THD is often tied to the global demand for AI infrastructure. Delta stock has seen a staggering 189% return over the last year, significantly buoying the ETF. The energy and utilities anchors, approximately 21%. PTT plc, PTT. The state-owned energy giant remains a top holding. In 2026, PTT is increasingly diversifying into life sciences and renewable energy, attempting to transition from a pure oil and gas player into a broader industrial conglomerate. Gulf Energy Development, Gulf, a major player in the power generation and digital infrastructure space. Gulf's partnerships in data centers and telecommunications have made it a favorite for investors looking to play Thailand's digital transformation. Consumer and retail staples, approximately 15%. CPL, the operator of 7-Eleven stores in Thailand. CPL serves as a direct proxy for the Thai consumer. Despite high household debt levels, the company's daily essential business model provides the fund with a defensive floor. 3. Performance and financial vitals. As of February 23, 2026, THD has shown a significant technical breakout. Key metrics for investors. Year-to-date total return. As of February 20, 2026, the fund has returned roughly 22.6% for the year, far outperforming broader emerging market benchmarks. Dividend yield. The trailing 12-month yield sits at approximately 3.01%. Dividends are typically distributed semi-annually. Expense ratio. The fund carries an expense ratio of 0.59%. Valuation, PE ratio. THD currently trades at a price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, of roughly 14.9x. While Delta itself trades at a massive premium, the rest of the Thai market offers a value entry point compared to regional peers. 4. Critical risks. What to watch this week. Investing in Thailand involves specific headwinds that every investor must weigh against the AI tailwinds. Political transitions. Thailand just held a general election on February 8, 2026. Unofficial results show the Boongjai Thai Party taking a lead, but the formal government formation process is expected to last through June 2026.
Any delays in budget disbursement or policy uncertainty during this transition could cause short-term market jitters. The household debt ceiling. Thailand's household debt to GDP ratio remains high at approximately 87 to 90%. This exerts a drag on domestic consumption, meaning companies dependent on local spending may face limited growth compared to export-oriented tech firms. Tariff exposure. With global tech tensions high in 2026, Thai exports face the risk of reciprocal tariff hikes. Investors should monitor U.S. trade policy specifically, as a significant portion of Thailand's recent growth has come from front-loading orders ahead of potential tariff implementations. 5. Strategy. How to approach THD today. In late February 2026, THD is trading near its 52-week high of $72.81. The tactical rebound play. If you believe the global electronics cycle has another leg of growth, THD is an efficient way to capture that without paying the extreme premiums found in U.S. or Taiwanese tech. The diversifier. Thailand's low correlation with the S&P 500 makes it a useful tool for reducing overall portfolio volatility, provided you can tolerate the political risk. The verdict. THD is a momentum play with a value foundation. The explosion in electronics exports has finally provided the growth engine that Thailand has lacked for years. While the political transition from the February election requires a watchful eye, the structural shift in global manufacturing makes Thailand a compelling safe haven in the Asian theater this year.